Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write on a very trending topic of current affairs, Rajasthan Mission 2030. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Rajasthan Mission 2030 is an ambitious initiative aimed at transforming the state of Rajasthan. Second line is at sustainable development and wide-ranging growth of the state by the year 2030. Third line is this project was launched to address various challenges including water scarcity, poverty, unemployment, and infrastructure development. Fourth line is one of the primary objectives of this mission is to ensure water security for the state's residents. Fifth line is this can be achieved through the construction of dams, rainwater harvesting, and efficient water management. Sixth line is, this mission also promotes increased use of renewable energy sources such as solar power. Seventh line is, the mission focuses on improving healthcare, education, and skill development. Eighth line is, it also aims to boost the state's agricultural sector through modernization. Next line is, this mission is a comprehensive roadmap to a new era of development and prosperity of the state. Last line is, it aspires to make Rajasthan a shining example of progress by the year 2030.